Welcome to Arson Pose. This is a new video from What and Where Decor Material series. Today we are talking about a very important item in the interior, that is the solid wood. Solid wood can be used in so many items, starting from furniture to wall covering to floor covering to using as ornament, decorative items, etc. etc. The main two categories for the wood is solid wood and soft wood. Both of them are natural. Solid wood is type of wood that you can use actually for strong uses or for outdoor uses. Soft wood is a more soft wood that is more easy to cut and more easy to handle with. Both of them have the tendency to bend. We have too many techniques to prevent that bending effect of the wood. Every one of them has its own category of use. Solid wood can come in so many finishes. For example, this is a piece of solid wood. You can see here that from the thickness of it, you can see that it's solid, and it comes with matte finish. You see, it's like not shiny, not glossy, not semi-gloss. It's like matte finish. So this wood can be used in so many areas in the decoration world. Another example of the decorative solid wood is where you can apply a textured solid wood. Now, this is a piece of solid wood. You can see the section of the wood here. But this face was actually treated to be like antique. As you can see here, it's treated with what we call steel brush. It was steel brush to give the old effect, the antique effect. It's steel brushed. You can see here that the veins are visible. The veins are more visible, and even it's been scratched on the opposite direction to have that old feeling. There's a little shade of blue was added to this to give it the antique look, the old look. So with both combination of rough texture, rough veins, and multiple colors, and this light blue effect, you can see here that this is very beautiful piece of solid wood. Can be used in a cabinet or in furniture or as wall cladding. It can be used in so many places to reflect the antique finish, the original finish of the real wood. Another good example of how to finish a solid wood piece is this piece. You can see the wood cut out here. So that's solid wood piece. You can see here that it's very deep. It has very deep veins. This finish called driftwood. When the sea drifts some old wood and you see it like broken on the beach, that's how it looks like. So this finish actually it's called driftwood, and it's finished also as if you get it from the beach. Now in this other piece, you can clearly see here that how the veins are shown. This is of course, as we said before, that's crown cut. See the wood design. This is a crown cut design. While this one you can see part of it as quarter cut and part of it is crown cut. So you can have it in so many finishes, and you can have that deep veins effect by a technology called sandblasting. So there is like a big amount of sand. It's blasted, it's pressurized into the wood. So it's like actually it digs into the wood. And since the veins are the strongest parts, the vein line is the strongest part of the wood, it remains. And in between the veins wood, it's a bit softer, so it gets more affected by the blasted sand. So you will get this 3D effect, this beautiful effect for this driftwood. I love it so much and I like it. And actually I enjoyed doing this sample. So I hope that this brief video was useful for you. And I thank you very much for watching this video. And I thank you for coming back again for watching more videos about more what and where decor material. Thank you very much.